Alright, the SJ7 Star, shooting in 4K, and someone wanted to know, is there any gimbal noise? So this is not part of the review. This is just an example of what the gimbal sounds like, and what the microphone sounds like. There is no motor noise, as you can hear. So let's let you just listen for a second. Oh, and by the way, if you're wondering what gimbal it is that I'm using, I can use, or you can use as a consumer, either the Evo GP Pro gimbal, or like what I'm using right now, the Feiyutech G4 QD gimbal, which I do like because of its clamp mechanism. Instead of having to screw something on, it's spring-loaded, raise up the clamp, and you can stick the camera in. It's a lot of wind right now. I don't know if you could tell from the trees, but it is very, very windy in Texas today. But just show you, no motor noise. Sounds good.